Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful AMA Stella. This particular category is a CA French balcony. It sits between those lower level window view rooms and of course those twin balcony rooms. What's great about it is you've got a nice large floor to ceiling window and of course the fresh air that goes along with it. Let's tour the room here in just a second to see if it's the perfect room for you. Now before we do, keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with AMA, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, an AMA Waterways River Cruise is a highly immersive and inclusive experience. You're gonna have complimentary shore excursions each and every single day with several to choose from. In fact, if you want something a little more active, they've got bike rides and hikes, and they have all of your classic favorites, in addition to one of my favorites, the late riser, or you can do a gentle walker tour as well. Now, in addition to the fantastic excursions, you're gonna have some amazing food here on board. Their culinary team is renowned for their excellence. You're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day. They have complimentary tapas in the lounge, and then they also have a fantastic chef's table experience in the back of the ship where you'll have a wine-paired menu made in front of you. It's absolutely delicious and educational. Now let's tour this beautiful room. Now when you walk in the room, you've got your temperature controls to the side, and then over here you're gonna find your storage. You've got shelves all the way up and down for storage, those extra comfy AMA Waterways bathrobes and slippers. You're gonna have quite a bit of hanging storage here as well, all the way across up top, all the way across down below. And then you're also gonna have two large umbrellas that you can utilize throughout your time here in Europe. Now when we step into the bathroom, this is one of those spaces where you notice the difference between those larger twin balcony rooms. So you've got a small countertop here, a bit of storage tucked behind the mirror. You're also gonna find a Euro plug. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You've got a bit of storage underneath the sink and a magnifying mirror here. Toilet's tucked just behind. And then you've got a shower. Now, I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit in here. I've utilized this shower in this category myself. You've got the rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand here, and then you've got those upgraded bath amenities. Now as we head into the room, the bed is together right now in the large configuration. Of course, they can separate it apart into two twins if that's your preference, traveling with friends. Now you can move, in that case, they'd move the nightstand to the middle and then you'd have a little bit more separation of space. Now either way, there's plenty of space under the bed to put your large bags away completely. You've got nightstands with storage on either side. You've got lamps on either side and also the reading lights up above. You'll find that each room is going to have an alarm clock. You also have a US Euro plug combo on one side. It's perfect if you need to utilize it for a charging station or maybe a CPAP machine. And then you also have two USB chargers to charge your devices overnight. Now over here, you're gonna find your writing desk, and it's also a vanity. So you can sit here to get ready. You've got a nice large mirror with a light up above. You also will have the lamp here. And I wanted to point out these little guys. So you have a charging station. You're gonna find that you have your earbuds and also you'll have this device. Now what's really cool about the way AMA does this is you'll take this when you go on your tours, you'll plug the headphones in and you just click that onto the sign of your particular guide. It's gonna sync right up for you. It's really nice and seamless. And what that means is you can explore just a little bit, still hear your guide. And speaking of that, they do have some of the best in the entire business. Now also over here, you're gonna find your mini fridge underneath. You've got a little bit of storage with the drawer. Your safe is up above here. It's a really nice size. And then a little bit of storage up above. Just below, you're gonna find your iMac, so you can utilize it as a computer. It's complimentary, along with the Wi-Fi being complimentary as well, but it also functions as your stateroom television. There's a remote control here that you can utilize for the TV, so you can lay in bed and watch the television. But the real reason why you get this particular room is so that you can take advantage of the fresh air and the beautiful ever-changing river views. Now, part of that immersive experience is that life is going on around you when you're on a river cruise. You can see both sides of the shore. And of course, in addition to that, you're gonna see people's lives going on. Check out all the incredible sights with the castles of the Rhine Gorge or the beauty of the Wachau Valley. Wherever it is that you're sailing, having that nice large window and of course the fresh air makes a big difference. You've got two chairs and a table here as well that you can utilize to take advantage of it. It's a perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning. But if you want a little bit more space, you can check out the French Balcony twin balcony combo. So you've got a French and an outdoor balcony. We've got those rooms on our channel along with the suites, and you can also see the full ship tour. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to Har Travel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.